The country is hungry for more. After her very successful MMK debut and numerous new commercials and very sexy billboards for a line of clothing, Casey Concepcion again showcases her acting talent in 4 back-to-back episodes. I Am Casey, now up here on TV Now. Kung sanay raw tayo sa very poised and very elegant na Casey, this time kakaibang Casey naman daw ang mapapanood natin per episode.
Okay, so may comedy, may fantasy. Yung comedy po with Miss Ai itong Sabado na po ng 7 p.m. Si Binibining Palengke. May fantasy episode with Makisig and Zandro Marudo also na iba naman po makikita ninyo kasi para siyang multo na hindi. Ayun. May musical with Vong Navarro. Yay! And yes, sir. With Luis Manzano and Tito Albert Martinez.
But as excited Casey is for her TV special, her personal life is a totally different story. Casey surprised everyone when she dropped by sa The Buzz a couple of weeks back para dalawin si Rufo Gutierrez, who happens to be Richard Gutierrez's sister. Si Richard kaya ang dahilan sa pagdalaw niya kay Ate Rufa?
Ganun naman ho ako, lagi akong nag-hello.
It's been months since she's been linked to Richard, but a confirmation is yet to come from either party. But will this be the confirmation na hinihintay ng lahat?
Nag-uusap naman po kami ni Richard and we communicate, we're friends.